Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I had to get on here tonight because I just got this in the mail. I'm so hyped. I'm covering my address, so I don't have any stalkers. So I just ordered this literally this week. I think I ordered it Monday. This is a new subscription box for me. It's called the Ricky's Cult Crushes, and I think it's $11. Let's see here. Yeah, it's $11. And basically it is a beauty box. So these are all the goodies I got. So yeah, let's get into it and see what we got. So the first thing I saw was these nipple covers. So these are the girls on the box. Clearly I don't look like them. Yeah, so you can see here what they're supposed to be for. Yeah, so they're nipple covers in case you know, want to go with a jacket, like how I have a jacket on, but just, you know, have nipple covers on. I mean, I have something under here, but I guess you can wear a jacket with nothing under it. Yeah. So the next thing I got was this box of Wispies, which I do love Wispies. You can see there's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a pack of 5. It comes with glue. I mean, they look a little ran through. I don't know if that's the shipping or something, but yeah. And then you can still see, you can see the tag on here. So it was $9.99. So I guess right then and there the box was worth it. So these are Ricky's brand. So yeah, and it includes lash glue. So that's awesome. So yeah, 5 Wispies. I should have threw some on for this video, but it's fine. Then I saw this. It's very heavy. It's a palette, guys. It's a palette right here. So you can see, this is from Chi Cosmetics. I guess this is Australian. So Australian designed and owns. Cruelty-free, only tested on family and friends. Okay, so it's Australian. So it's called the Spices eyeshadow palette. So it looks like a bunch of warm tones. The packaging is very pretty. And it comes with a brush here and a mirror, as you can see. So let's take this off, take the plastic off, and I'll show you the colors here. So what is this? 4, 8, 12. So it comes in with 12 colors here, and I've never heard of this Chi Cosmetics, so yeah, let's swatch it and see how it is. So this one, here, oh wow, it looks really pigmented. Let's take a look and see. I'm just gonna do hand swatches since I have long sleeves on. Wow, that's very pigmented. It's super buttery and soft. Let's try a metallic. So here's a metallic here. Let's try this one and see. Okay, and let's swatch it and see here. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Wow, I've never heard of no Chi Cosmetics. Chi, baby, Chi. All right, let's try a darker color. Here's one down here. Try that. Ooh, wow, it's super pigmented. I'm like literally shocked. I wonder how much this is regular price. That one looks good. Let's do one more. Oh wow, you can see the glitter reflex in there. Can you see it? Let's try this color here. This kind of rosy color and see how it turns out. It's kind of rosy looking, rusty. Ooh, that's pretty. I like this palette, but I feel like I have so many palettes. I mean, I don't know that this one would get so much use. That's that's pretty. You know what this reminds me of? Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This looks just, wait, hold up. Let me get my Modern Renaissance. Now that is my ride or die. Modern Renaissance is my bitch. Okay, so here's the Chi-Chi. Okay, and here's the Modern Renaissance. Obviously, Modern Renaissance is everything. Let's see them side by side. Wow. Oh my gosh. Is this a dupe for Modern Renaissance? They funny as hell. Really? This is a dupe for Modern Renaissance? That's so funny. Ooh. That is so funny. Yeah, this is my Anastasia Modern Renaissance. Okay, so I guess this is a dupe for Modern Renaissance. I'm like, oh, I like this palette. Yeah, I like this. That is so funny. Okay, I didn't realize this was a dupe. That's hilarious. Okay, I wonder how much this one is. I gotta find out the price. Here's a gold here. I mean, all golds look nice. Like, it's really hard to mess up a gold, honestly. So I guess this is like a little, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's really pretty. Wow, this is a nice palette. I'm like really shocked up in here. Okay, so I guess this is a dupe for this. Okay, sidebar. The video went left. Okay, this is from Gerard Cosmetics. And it is Slay All Day Setting Spray. Okay, so let's see. Smells like coconut. Okay. Anyone who knows me knows that I live for, from Valencia, California. I live for setting sprays and facial sprays. Wow, I'm really shocked at these. I mean, the setting spray is nice and everything. Am I already glowing? Yeah, so the setting spray is nice and everything, but yeah, I'm like so shook over this eyeshadow. I totally think this box was worth every penny. It's $11. I mean, right there, the lashes, the palette, it was all worth it. It really was worth it. I'm so glad I got this box, but I should have known because Ricky's is my favorite makeup store. If you're a makeup lover, go to Ricky's. Just go, if you're in New York, just go to Ricky's and see. Like, it's like wall to wall makeup. Like, I just love that store. I love it. So yeah, I'm so excited to see what's in the March box. This was the February box. So I'm so excited to see what's in the March box. Like, I'm so hype. I'm so hype over this. So yeah, definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have lots more videos coming up. Like, I have so much makeup, I can't even keep up with all these videos that I have the ability to film because I have so much makeup. So yeah. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be doing a 1K giveaway. I'm about to get to 1K, hopefully in the next week or two. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's, trust me, I started with 0. So I'm so happy. I'm going to get to 1K. So you're going to have to subscribe here and be a follower there to win the giveaway so you can already get ahead of the game and subscribe to my channel. Alright, till next time, bye.